A trader stocks two brands of rice, A and B. The rice is packed in packets of the same size. The trader intends to order fresh supplies, but his store can accommodate a maximum of 500 packets. He orders at least twice as many packets of A as of B. He requires at least 50 packets of B and more than 250 packets of A. If he orders X packets of A and Y packets of B, write the inequalities in terms of X and Y which satisfy the above information. Part B. On the grid provided, represent the inequalities in Part A above. Part C. The trader makes a profit of selling 12 on a packet of type A rice and selling 8 on a packet of type B rice. Determine the maximum profit the trader can make. We can represent this statement as follows. X packets represents brand A, Y packets represents brand B, maximum over 500 packets. We can represent this as X plus Y is less than or equal to 500. At least twice as many packets of A. We can of A as over B. At least twice as many packets of A as of B. We can represent this as X is greater or equal to 2Y. At least 50 packets of B. We can represent this as Y is greater or equal to 250. More than 250 packets over A we can represent as X is greater than 250. We can represent the above four equalities in graph form, and step 1 is to locate the points as shown here. We locate the points as shown here. This is a x plus y is a less than or equal to 500. We can draw the coordinates of x and y. We can say that x plus y is equal to 500. This is x, this is y. When x is 0, y is 500. When x is 100, y is 400. X is greater or equal to 2y. When we see greater or equal or less than or equal, then our graph is going to have a continuous line. So this is x is greater or equal to 2y. We draw a graph of x is equal to 2y, x, y. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is 200, y is 100. Y is greater or equal to 50. We will draw a graph of y is equal to 50. This is going to give us a straight line. X is greater than 250. This one here is going to give us a continuous line when we draw this line here. X is equal to 250. This is going to give us a graph of a broken line, and we are going to draw a graph of x is equal to 250. We can sketch our graph as follows. This is our graph. Our graph is going to look like this one here. It will look like this one here. We can see that this is a broken line. X is greater than 250 is a broken line. X plus y is less than or equal to 500. This is a continuous line. X is greater or equal to 2y is a continuous line here. Y is greater or equal to 50 is a continuous line. And this is y is greater or equal to 50 is a continuous line here. So we are having a graph of 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So this is our required graph. So how to determine maximum profit? Maximum profit. We are going to apply inspection method. We are going to apply inspection method using this our graph here. We are going to apply inspection method using our graph here to find part C of our problem here. We are going to exclude two corners. We are going to exclude two corners here. Two corners. We are going to exclude this corner here and this corner here, passing through the broken line. That is x is greater than 250. This line here. We are going to exclude these two corners, and only we're going to use these other two corners, this one and here, two corners, and we're going to use the objective function. We are going to use the objective function. The objective function here is here we are told a trader makes a profit of shillings 12 on a packet of type A rice and shillings 8 on a packet of type B rice. Determine the maximum profit the trader can make. So our objective function is profit P is equal to 12x plus 8y. 12x plus 8y. Then now we are going to test the corners. We are going to test the two corners. We are going to test this corner here. This corner here is this here is 335, and here is 170. Then we are going to test this corner here. This is 450, and this one here is 50. 450 here and 50 here. So we are going to test the two corners here and here to find the maximum profit. So now we are testing corner 335, 170. P is equal to 12 times 335 plus 8 times 170. Using our equation here, P profit is equal to sellings 53.80. Then we test corner for 50. Remember, this is X, this is Y, this is X, this is Y. So P is equal to 12 times 450 plus 8 times 50. This is giving us a sellings 5,800. Therefore, when we compare profit here and profit here, this is the maximum profit. Therefore, we can say that maximum profit which is required is a sellings 5,800. Thank you for watching.